In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a GIF in your email signature with a straightforward walkthrough for Gmail. This can add a touch of personality and flair to your emails, making them more visually engaging. Let's dive in. First things first, open up your Gmail account. Now, to get started with the settings, head to the top right corner of your Gmail dashboard. You'll see a gear icon, which is pretty universally known as the settings button. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select See All Settings. This will take you to a comprehensive settings page where you can customize various aspects of your Gmail experience. Now that you're in the full settings menu, make sure you're on the General tab. This is usually the first tab that opens up, but it never hurts to double check. Scroll through the options until you reach the section labeled Signature. This is where all the magic happens. Here, you'll have the option to create a new signature or edit an existing one. If you're setting this up for the first time, click on Create New. But if you already have a signature and you're just looking to add a GIF, click on the signature you wish to edit. Next, we're going to insert our GIF. Within the signature editor, you'll notice a toolbar across the top, which includes the option to insert images. It's symbolized by an icon that looks like a small square picture. Click on this insert image icon. Once you click on this icon, you'll be presented with two main choices for inserting a GIF. The first option is to upload a GIF directly from your computer. To do this, select Upload, then navigate through your files to find and select the GIF you'd like to use. This method is generally reliable and ensures your GIF will display correctly, as it is being uploaded directly to Gmail's servers. Alternatively, you could use a direct link from the web to insert your GIF. If you choose this option, paste the web address of the GIF into the provided field. Just keep in mind that while this method can work well, some email clients may have trouble rendering GIFs sourced from external web links, so proceed with this option cautiously. Once your GIF is inserted into the email signature, you have the choice to resize it to your liking. Simply click on the GIF and a menu will appear, allowing you to choose between small, medium and large sizes. Make sure the GIF is an appropriate size for your email signature, not too overpowering, but just the right amount to catch the reader's eye. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page. There you'll find the Save Changes button. Be sure to click on it, otherwise all your efforts might go to waste. And that's it, you've successfully added a GIF to your Gmail signature, making your email stand out just that little bit more. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.